Hello developers, we are going to start a new series on Angular. So in this video, I will cover all the concepts in Angular that we will be going through in the later videos. So what is Angular? Angular is an open source front-end framework for building web applications, and it is developed and maintained by Google. It uses TypeScript as its primary programming language, and it is based on the component driven architecture. Okay, so these are the key features of Angular. So this is just the overview, and we will see in detail in my upcoming videos. One of the most common key feature of Angular is two-way data binding. What it does synchronization data between the model and view in the real time. And second feature is component based architecture. It means applications are divided into small, reusable and maintainable components. Okay. Third feature is dependency injection. It manages service instances and dependencies effectively. Another feature of Angular is directive. What it does? It extends HTML with custom behaviors. Example ngIf, ngFor. These are the directives. And Angular provides powerful routing that enables navigation between different views in a single page application. There is a concept of RxJS observables, that is a key feature of Angular. It handles asynchronous data streams effectively. Now we will come to the architecture overview of Angular. So Angular application consists of following building blocks. First one is module, then components, templates, directives, services, dependency injection. These are the architecture overview. Okay, so coming to modules, Angular apps are modular and divided into ng modules. Example is app module. This is the main module of our Angular application. Another one is components that define the view and logic of a specific UI part. Example app component. Another one is templates. It is the HTML structure combined with Angular's data binding syntax. Next one is directives. It adds dynamic behavior to templates. Next one is services. It used for the logic or data sharing across components. Next is dependency injection. It provides instances of services when required. Now come to the Angular lifecycle. We will discuss Angular lifecycle in details in the upcoming videos. So Angular components go through several lifecycle hoops. One is ng on init, another one is ng on changes, next is ng on destroy. These are the common Angular lifecycle hooks. Ng on init, it is called after the component is initialized, and ng on changes, it is triggered when input properties change. Ng on destroy, it is called just before the component is destroyed. Okay, now come to the use cases of Angular. One is single page applications. Example Gmail, Facebook. So Angular is best suitable for single page applications. Another one is PWAs, means progressive web apps. Example e-commerce apps. So Angular is suitable for progressive web apps also, e-commerce app. Another one is enterprise applications. Enterprise applications mostly prefer Angular applications. Example CRMs, ERPs. And now coming to the advantages of Angular, why we prefer Angular, because it is component based development, easier to maintain and test. It has powerful CLI architecture. Okay, means it speeds up the development with inbuilt commands. Okay, and active community, and lots of resources and third party libraries are provided in Angular. And it has a large active community that supports Angular in a long term. So this is a concepts of Angular, and we will discuss one by one with basic code examples in the upcoming videos.